Imagine you're looking at a painting that challenges everything you know about art. It's not a portrait or a landscape. It's a mishmash of colors and shapes that seem to defy traditional rules. This example could be a window into understanding postmodernism, a complex and often debated idea in art, literature, philosophy, and culture. Postmodernism emerged in the mid-20th century as a reaction against the perceived limitations and failures of modernism. Modernism, which dominated the early 20th century, believed in progress, rationality, and universal truths. Postmodernism, on the other hand, questions these beliefs and challenges the idea that there can be a single, objective reality or truth. Postmodernists argue that these grand narratives of progress and truth are inherently flawed and exclude marginalized voices and alternative perspectives. Instead, they advocate for a pluralistic understanding of truth and reality, recognizing that different cultures, individuals, and communities may have conflicting or multiple truths. In architecture, postmodernism rejects the strict functionalism of modernist buildings. Instead, architects like Frank Gehry or Zaha Hadid create structures that are playful, eclectic, and sometimes deliberately provocative. These buildings often incorporate historical references or cultural symbols in unexpected ways, challenging traditional notions of form and function. Postmodernism also extends its critique to popular culture and mass media. Think of how television shows like The Simpsons or South Park use irony, satire, and self-referential humor to critique societal norms and conventions. These shows often break the fourth wall, addressing the audience directly and questioning the very medium through which they are presented. In essence, postmodernism is a movement that celebrates diversity, complexity, and ambiguity. It rejects fixed meanings and embraces the idea that interpretations are subjective and context-dependent. This can be both liberating and challenging, as it invites us to rethink our assumptions about art, literature, culture, and even our own identities. By questioning established norms and exploring new possibilities, postmodernism continues to shape contemporary debates and artistic expressions worldwide.